today we're taking the question, what are the common concerns in buying a fixer? There are no common concerns in buying a fixer. Every fixer has its own special gateway to hell. So I've seen oil tanks that were leaking into the soil, and the oil tank was $40,000 to decommission. I've seen sewer lines that went over off into your neighbor's yard and down the street and were like, I don't know, $40,000 to fix. I've seen structural members in a foundation need to be replaced, and that was, you know, only like $300,000. So my only advice to you is to get a good inspector and then just assume that everything's going to be twice the amount that you imagine it's going to cost to fix. And I'm not even kidding. It really usually is. Most people are buying a fixer because they want to put their own stamp on it, which is awesome. Just know it's going to cost you time and money. So as long as you're okay with that, then you're going to get the like piece of art of your dreams in like 10 years. So I can't wait to see it when it's done. We'll see you next week on our Dear Claire. Take care.